In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule repeat meetings in Microsoft Teams. If you regularly meet with the same group every week, every month, or on another repeating schedule, Microsoft Teams makes it easy to set that up in just a few clicks. Creating a recurring meeting can save time, keep everyone organized, and make sure the event automatically appears on the calendar without needing to create it over and over again. To get started, open Microsoft Teams and go to the calendar section. This is where you can view upcoming events, create new meetings, and manage anything you've already scheduled. If you're using Teams in a browser, the layout may look slightly different from the desktop app, but the overall process is very similar. Once you're in Calendar, you're ready to create the meeting. Next, click New Meeting. This opens the meeting form where you can enter all the important information. Take your time here, because this is where you define what the meeting is for and when it should happen. Now add your details. Enter the meeting title, choose the date and time, and include any other relevant information needed for the invite. Depending on your setup, you may also be able to add attendees, a description, or a location if needed. It's a good idea to double check the time and date before moving on, especially if this will become a repeating event. Small errors can carry through every occurrence, so a quick review now can save time later. After that, look for the repeat setting. It may currently say, does not repeat. Click that drop-down menu and select the recurrence pattern that matches your needs. For example, you might choose a daily, weekly, or monthly schedule. This is the key step that turns a one-time meeting into a recurring one. Make sure you choose the option that best fits how often your team meets. Once everything looks correct, click Save. Teams will then create the meeting and automatically schedule the repeating occurrences based on the option you selected. That means everyone invited will be able to see the series on their calendars, helping keep schedules aligned and reducing the need for follow-up reminders. And that's it. That's how to schedule repeat meetings in Microsoft Teams. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference in staying organized and streamlining routine collaboration.